Hi everyone, welcome to Tway's Humble Kitchen. I'm Tway, and today we're making fresh Mandarin orange and chocolate tartlets. So let's get baking. We'll start with the chocolate pastry cream. The full recipe to make 4 individual tartlets with ingredients and amounts is within the description. In a medium saucepan over medium heat, warm the milk. In a mixing bowl, whisk the egg yolk. Then whisk in the cocoa powder, sugar, cornstarch, salt, and vanilla extract. When the milk starts to simmer, temper it into the mixture by pouring it in slowly while whisking until everything dissolves. Pour the mixture into a saucepan and whisk for about 3 minutes until the pastry cream starts to take form and is no longer liquid. Then take the pan off the heat and whisk in the semisweet chocolate and butter. Pour the pastry cream into a bowl and cover it with plastic wrap. Make sure it touches the cream so the skin doesn't form. Let it set in the refrigerator. Next is the pastry crust, which is sweet. I'm using 4 4-inch mini tart pans with removable bottoms. You'll need flour, powdered sugar, salt, cold butter, 1 egg yolk, heavy cream, and vanilla extract. Amounts are within the description. Start by sifting the flour, powdered sugar, and salt together in a sturdy mixing bowl. Then add the small cubes of cold butter and cut it into the dry ingredients. You can do this by using a fork, pastry cutter, or butter knives. You can also use a food processor to pulse the mixture, which will save you some time and effort. Do this until you have an even consistency, almost like cornmeal. Then add in the egg yolk and keep cutting the mixture. Then add in the heavy cream and vanilla and continue cutting. Keep doing this until the dough starts coming together. Wrap the dough in plastic wrap and place in the refrigerator for at least a half hour. Once the dough is nice and cold, divide it into 4 even portions and then press each into a mini tart mold. Make sure the layer of dough is even. Then place them into a plastic bag and place into the freezer for at least an hour. 10 minutes before baking, preheat the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then take the crusts out of the freezer and poke holes in the bases with a fork. Then put the crusts into a baking pan and cover it with foil and place into the oven. You can also blind bake with beans or rice if you prefer. At about 10 minutes into baking, take off the foil and bake for an additional 15 minutes until the tart crusts are golden brown. Then take them out of the oven and let cool completely. Once they're cool, remove them from the tart pans. To assemble, peel a mandarin orange, even the layer around each wedge. Then fill each tartlet with the chocolate pastry cream. Create a design with the orange wedges on top of the tart. Then mix jam or jelly with a little bit of water and brush it onto the fruit for a glossy finish. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for upcoming recipes.